Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you if your Android mobile gallery is not showing the recent pics. Say for example, this is the Motorola mobile and this is the Realme mobile. I'll tell you. Let me just click 2 to 3 photos quickly. I'll take the picture of this mouse. Okay. So quickly I taken 3 pictures, mouse one and this phone and my laptop, right? So immediately I'll be opening my default photos app or gallery app. For this Motorola mobile, the default gallery app is my Google Photos. So I'll be opening this. Maybe just to uh, get some space or clear some space, if I delete it from the Google Photos, you know this or not, this will also get deleted in your internal storage. Practically I'll show you. I'll select this mouse and this 2 pictures and I'll be using this bin and I'll be moving them to bin. So right now I'll be opening this camera app and see here nothing, right? So yeah, those 2 pictures already got deleted. This is because of the synchronization between your internal storage and the Google Photos. Okay, remember this, if you delete from Google Photos, that image will get deleted in internal storage. So this could be one of the reason. If this is not the reason, just click on your Android phone settings and go to the all app section. I'll do it in my Realme also. Okay, Android phone settings, then I'll be moving it to app section. Under apps, see all apps. Here it will be slightly different, it will be app management and show system, and here also show system apps, and here you can search something like media storage app. So on Realme I couldn't find anything like media storage. Maybe okay, so system and media storage. Yeah, here also media picker. See here media picker, open the media picker, and here also open the media picker and clear the cache of this app. Okay, sorry, here if you have the option to clear the cache, see here this has the option. Okay, it doesn't have the option to clear the cache, but if you have the option, means just now only I cleared the cache, so that's the reason it is not showing. So clear the cache and restart your mobile, so this could work. If not, if this doesn't work, you need to do one thing. You need to connect your laptop and your phone and keep it in the file transfer mode. Okay, and now just reach to the my file manager on your computer. Okay, and see here this is Motorola Edge 50, right? I'll be opening that internal storage, then DCIM, then camera. Here in the camera, just search for .nomedia. If you find any file here, just delete that and restart your mobile. Now it will work. So basically I assume the main reason for you are unable to see the new photos is just because if you are clearing the space on the Google Photos, that photos action is synchronizing and deleting the photos in your gallery or the camera app. That's the reason you may not be able to see the new pictures. If that is the case, please do comment. As this is the case with the synchronization, just let me know in the comments, so whoever reads the comments will get the information and I'll also get to know that. And I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.